Why is traveling so expensive? You save up all year long to take your one trip a year where you drop thousands of dollars, spend more than you hoped, and come home with more than just memories when you finally see that credit card statement. Another year where you spent way too much money for the privilege of coach flights, 3-star hotels, long waits, and you know you can't afford it and will spend the rest of the year just trying to pay off your credit card balance. Have you ever dreamed of what it would be like to travel first class with priority boarding, staying at 5-star hotels, get VIP treatment, and know you won't be bringing home any extra debt? You see, airline, hotel, and credit card companies all want you to believe traveling is expensive. They want you to think a certain way, that there is only one way to get flights, and that is to spend big money. Even their reward programs only reward people who spend a lot of money. They all want you to believe the only way to save money is by spending more money with their brand only. Loyalty rewards by spending more so you can get free perks. These loyalty programs are huge profits for these companies, so they do not want you to learn the truth. You are led to believe, with the most amazing marketing techniques, that you don't have any options when it comes to traveling except spending big bucks to take your dream trip. Discount websites all boast having the best rates, yet have you ever noticed that they are never consistently the cheapest? You always have to do the extra research to find the cheaper deal. All that research to save what, 10%? Most people find these meager savings to not even be worth the effort of researching multiple flight search sites to get the best deal. On top of all this, airline companies, hotels, and credit card companies all work together to push the same message on you. You deserve to travel. You earned it. Travel and spend more with us, and we'll help you save money traveling. The more you spend, the more you save, and we'll even throw in some added perks and incentives so that you spend more. At this rate, you'll end up spending way more than you originally intended just to get their special perks and discounts. So, in an industry geared towards getting you to spend more, how can you really afford to take that dream vacation without spending more than you want? The trick lies in understanding the airline, hotel, and credit card rewards programs and understanding how they work together to get you to spend more. Once you actually see through all the marketing lies these companies constantly market to everyone, you can actually learn to use these programs to your advantage and use their rules against them. What if there was a way you could use their rules, their rewards programs, their systems to your advantage, where you could get their loyalty points and miles without having to spend any of your own hard-earned money? Your first reaction to this thought might be, this sounds too good to be true. But remember when I told you that airline, hotel, and credit card companies work together to market beliefs to you? This thought process is coming from them. In order to take advantage of their system, the systems that they designed and made the rules for, we have to adopt a new way of thinking about travel. We have to develop a new way of thinking when it comes to travel rewards programs. These companies are very good at what they do, and their marketing is amazing. They have set a precedence of travel and travel rewards program and how they work. These are billion-dollar companies in an industry that has designed all of their marketing to get you to spend more. Perhaps you have used aggregate booking websites. Even measly savings is better than paying full price, right? Sure, it helps lower your bill, but you're still stuck paying big bucks for all your travel. Maybe you've seen these huge rewards points bonuses credit card companies offer, but then you see if you spend $3,000 to $5,000 within the next 3 months. So again, you have to spend more money just to get the big points bonus for a free flight. All this work, and yet you still end up paying thousands of dollars for your flight and hotel, and that's before you even get a chance to do any of the fun stuff. If you dream of traveling the world and you want to be able to travel without having to worry about overspending, to be able to save 75% or more on your trips, it will require you to change the way you think. It all starts with seeing the truth about what airline, hotel, and credit card companies have been hiding from you, and learning how their rewards programs really work so that you can make your dream vacation a reality every single year. It may seem that learning about rewards programs and how the travel industry really works is super complicated. Nothing could be further from the truth. This is how good this billion-dollar industry is at hiding the truth from you. Learning these secrets is actually very easy. Once you learn how to leverage airline, hotel, credit card company rewards programs, you can actually use their system to get free flights and hotels every time you want to travel to anywhere in the world. If you dream of traveling the world, you cannot afford to not learn these loopholes that exist within the travel rewards programs. These loopholes exist and are 100% legal and possible. You just have to know how. You can spend your most valuable commodity, time, scouring the internet and YouTube, learning about everything I just explained about travel rewards loopholes. Or you can leverage my travel experience and let me walk you step by step through the exact process I use to get travel so cheap. How cheap would your next vacation be if you didn't have to pay for your flight or your hotel stay? What is even better is that I'm so passionate about helping people travel the best way possible that I designed an online class complete with video tutorials, photos, articles, and action steps walking you through your transformation of a regular travel dreamer to a Wanderlust Travel Pro. By the end of this course, you will know the truth and no longer be part of the system of spending that the airline, hotel, and credit card companies want you to believe. You will have an actual plan in place to plan your next vacation and get your flight completely free. The best part of all this, once you learn it once, you can repeat the process year after year and make your dream vacations cheaper than anyone you know. And I will even show you how you can get those first class seats, 5-star hotels paid for with points and miles instead of your hard-earned money. Don't miss your chance to change your life forever. Don't sit there believing what you're supposed to believe and what the travel industry wants you to accept as truth, when you could be visiting all your dream destinations every single year, no matter how much money you make. You'll never come home again with any unwanted souvenirs like credit card debt. Sign up for my free course today. Let me be your Wanderlust travel guru.